Okay.
Hi, I'm Kendall Stevens, and I'll be doing your news right now. And did you know in China, or I don't know what kind of China, but there was a whale on a truck and it exploded everywhere. There was dripping, and then there was bones of a big whale. We had nothing to do about it, so all we did was just clean up that bones. The whale exploded because it was in the hot beating sun. There was a kid. Everybody was in their houses till they heard a big giant boom. And then they came outside and everybody was doing this. Everybody. Until they saw it, they opened their eyes. And guess what they saw? A exploding whale. Blood everywhere and even goo. And there was mostly lots of skeletons all over the place. That was morning news, so I'm Kendall Stevens. Bye.